Hey guys, this is Chris with Motorhead Monday, and me and Motorhead, we're going to tell you about wiper blades today. So, we have a special here at Athens Ford to the end of this month to get your wiper blades replaced for $19.96 plus tax. That's a great deal, and it'll keep you going for at least 2 years because Motorcraft offers a 2-year warranty, unlimited miles with all their Motorcraft parts. So if you have a problem with that wiper blade, we'll be glad to replace it. But let's talk about some safety things. When you're driving down the road and it starts raining really hard and your wiper blades aren't working like they're supposed to, you need to replace them. Not being able to see for a couple seconds can be the difference in a wreck and stopping. So I would recommend that you check your wiper blades today, see if they wipe your windshield. And if they don't, come see us here at Athens Ford. I'd love to install wiper blades on your vehicle. Have a great day. This is Chris and Motorhead.